Welcome to Math with Professor V. Here's your latest integral of the day. We have an indefinite integral of 1 over the square root of e to the x minus 4 dx. If you want a little hint, it just requires a u substitution, and that is it. The last less spicy integral I uploaded got some good feedback. You guys had fun solving it, so I thought I'd give another one that wasn't too much of a pill. So I went in and I said, let me just let u be that whole denominator. Let's let u equal the square root of e to the x minus 4. And you can find du right away, but what I like to do whenever I have a radical is square both sides first. So then u squared is e to the x minus 4, and then now I differentiate. So we have 2u du on the left-hand side equals e to the x dx. All right, well, if I'm looking right now at the integrand, this would be 1 over u, and then dx I need to isolate now and somehow have entirely in terms of u. So 2u du over e to the x is dx, but I can't have e to the x mixed in there, but that's when I just pop right over here and I go, e to the x is u squared plus 4. Perfect. So then that means dx is equal to 2u du over u squared plus 4. So all of that is going to go where dx is. Boom. So it looks like we're ready to rewrite our integral all in terms of u. We're going to have 1 over u times 2u du over u squared plus 4. Fabulous. And then notice the u's cancel out in the numerator and denominator. Boop, boop. And then let me take that 2 that's in the numerator all the way outside the integral. So I'm going to write it as 2 integral 1 over u squared plus 4 du. And then hopefully you recognize this is going to involve tan inverse. Because we have the 4, then I'm going to have a 1/2 in the front, tan inverse of u over 2. So we've got this 2 that's just coming along for the ride. Then I'm going to have a 1/2 tan inverse u divided by 2 plus c. These cancel out beautifully. And then we're going to go back, replace u with, that's it, square root of e to the x minus 4. So we've got tan inverse of square root e to the x minus 4. This is all divided by 2 plus c. You could leave it like that. If you don't like that argument having this big old fraction inside, you could just put a 1/2 in front of the radical. Let's see, which one do you guys like better? You could write this as tan inverse 1/2 square root e to the x minus 4 plus c. That works also. Vote in the comments. Do you like option 1 or 2 better? I'm looking at them both. I don't want to sway anyone's vote, so I'm just not going to say. I do have a favorite. Anyways, let me know if you got it right. If you did something different, let me know as well. I'd be curious to hear that. I think it looked like it was going to be worse than it was, so that's why it was pretty fun. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you need to review any of your integration techniques, then all of my video lectures covering those topics are linked in the description box, and you can also hop on over to the playlist where everything's organized on my YouTube channel into courses, full-length video lectures, more integrals of the day, and whatnot. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Math with Professor V. You can see what shenanigans I'm up to all day, and I'll be back sooner than later. Thank you guys so much for your support.